The miracle isn't only when nature's rules are broken. Nature itself is the miracle. We don't need to wait for a supernatural event. You being able to see is a miracle. You breathing right now is a miracle. A single drop creates life and a perfect baby is born. Your heart beating without stopping, isn't that miraculous? Endless oxygen, a body that keeps going like magic. Look at a fruit. A seed rots, and from that decay, a tree is born. And from that tree more fruit, just like the first. Nature is the grand miracle. The design of the great architect of the universe.